Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import products from Amazon to WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need to have an Amazon products importer. And basically, for that, we will need an extension or plugin. First, we can simply go to the plugins and search for any importer or Amazon products importer. We can first go to add new plugin, and from there we will find Amazon importer or products importer, and we will need to find any extension that would work like that. So as you can see, you can have something like this. But what we are interested in is to have uh, some, and we need just to change the prompt. So as you can see there, those are all some WooCommerce extensions that you can start using. So first there is this products import and export for WooCommerce, or we can simply go to the extension of WooCommerce and start searching for an Amazon products importer. So as we can see, let's browse for an Amazon products importer. And as you can see, there is this one. So all you need to do is just to install or to add this extension to your WooCommerce. And basically by that, you will start being able to start or to import your products. So as you can see, you will find it here in your WooCommerce, and then you will need just to establish an import link or a connection between your Amazon store and your WooCommerce, and you will be able to save the change, to establish the connection, and start importing. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.